Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you become part of the family. You know, now we're in the Ramadan fasting period, so every day is like Thanksgiving for 30 days. So now we're on day 14. I've been having a lot of requests, people asking me to film recipes, do class and whatever. So around this month there's gonna be lots and lots of recipes. I am gonna film a video explaining, you know, the Ramadan, why we fast and everything. Let me know in the description if you'd like to know more. I actually filmed it. That was the video I was talking about, but the audio was kind of messed up. Anyway, without further ado, I'm about to make my dinner. I have like less than an hour-ish. My oven is preheated. So without further ado, like this video, like videos like this, comment below if you want me to make a recipe or something. Don't forget to follow me on social media because yeah, I post so much, even extra stuff that I don't post here. So today I'll be making parsley and coriander lamb chops with Moroccan roasted potatoes. Come on, fridge. Shh. Anyway, and for those of you, for the Americans, coriander is cilantro. So parsley and cilantro lamb chops with Moroccan roasted potatoes. Okay, without further ado, I am going to show you what I'll be using in this video. Okay, so for the Moroccan roasted potatoes, I'll be using the roasted, so I'll be using the baby potatoes, and you can use any potatoes you want. And these are the spices that I'm going to be using to marinate the potatoes. So I'll be using cinnamon, some cayenne, paprika. You can use, I'm using smoked, but you can use regular paprika because that's actually I just ran out of it. Cumin, garlic powder, some salt, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna cut this a bit and marinate it and toss it in the oven. Okay. So I have marinated the baby potatoes and they're roasted in the oven. For the ingredient that we need for the lamb chop, so obviously we need lamb chopped in a choppy form. I don't know. And then we need coriander, parsley, cilantro. But if you don't have the fresh one, feel free to use the dried herbs. And I have some red chili, garlic, salt, olive oil, and black pepper. One thing I didn't mention that I showed when I was marinating the baby potatoes is I use olive oil and turmeric. So yeah, and then also lemon zest. So I don't have a lot of lemon zest. I'm just gonna put a dash of lemon juice. So without further ado, let's begin. So right now I have lemon zest inside, so I'm putting some cilantro and I'm putting in cilantro and parsley, and I'm putting garlic and the red chilies. So I'm just gonna put the pepper here. So you can use just the heat according to your taste or for you. I'm just gonna add like salt in here, so instead of doing it in the future, let me just get stuff done. Guys, you know I told you I love quick recipes, so I'm just putting the black pepper here. And okay, I'm gonna put some olive oil, just a little, just a tablespoon, and just so I have like little zest because I don't have lemon, I have a lime, so I'm just gonna put a dash. So I am now gonna like blend it, and yeah, so let's put this out of the way. So I have this is somewhat smooth, so I'm just gonna rub it all over this and let it sit for a few minutes, and Just brush it over. Okay guys, my pan is hot. You can use any pan you have. I think I'm just gonna use this side of the pan just because I want to use the griddle. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. This is the potatoes and hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try it and tag me on Instagram as Picturesque. And yeah, time for me to come break my fast. Iftar.